My name is Miss Medina, and this is Cecilia. And today we are going to learn how to tell time using an analog clock and a digital clock. Cecilia will watch this video, How to Tell Time Part 2, and we're watching Part 2 because Part 1 is only whole hours, and Part 2 shows by the hour and also by half hour.
I'm Timmy. Hey, Timmy.
Hey everyone, my name is Timmy, and today we're going to talk about time. That's right, time. You know, you can tell time by looking at a clock. In part 1, we had 3 o'clock, 6 o'clock, 8 o'clock, but this time we're going to do 30s. You know, like in the middle of a clock. It'd be like in the middle of like 6:30, you know, like 6:30. So, are you ready? Just look at the clock over there, and when the little hand is on a number, and when the big hand is on 6, that means 30. Okay, now look at the clock over here, and you will see that it is 4:30. Right, the big hand is on 6, and the little hand is on 4. That'd be 4:30. Okay, let's try another one. If you look at the clock over there, and you see a 8, the little hand's on an 8, and the big hand is on a 6, that's 8:30. Yay, you did it. That's 2 that you did. Okay, let's try another one.
No.
Now, if the big hand is on 6, and the little hand is on 6, what time would that be? It's a little hard.
What time is it,
I think
Cecilia?
you can do it.
Hurry.
6:30, that's right. You're very good at this. All right, let's try one more. If the big hand is on 6, and the little hand is on 11, what time would that be?
11:30.
Good.
You think you can do it?
11:30.
That's right, 11:30. You're good. Wow.
You're good.
Okay,
Woo-hoo!
well, stay tuned for part 3 of telling time. It'll be a little harder this time, so pay attention. Bye.
He's so cute. Okay, Cecilia, right here we have a digital clock. There's no numbers on here. I'm going to teach you how to read the clock by the hour only, okay? So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to start with 1 o'clock, okay? Can you read this?
1 o'clock p.m.
Okay, we're going to just say 1 o'clock.
Okay.
We have here these colons. They're going to separate the hour, which is the first 2 numbers, by the minutes. So do you see a division line right here? Stand right here. So do you see a division line right here in the middle? This is 1 o'clock. These colons are dividing the hour by the minute. Okay? So what does this say here?
1 o'clock.
Okay. So what if I change the number?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Good. Okay. So good. That's 5 o'clock. And what time would it be right here?
3 o'clock.
3 o'clock. Okay. Can you show me 7 o'clock?
Don't try.
Good.
7 o'clock.
Good. Can you show me 12 o'clock? Good. Can you show me 3 o'clock? Good. Good. And how do you know to put the 0 there?
Because if there's only like, if you tell me if there's one number like if the number has two numbers, we're supposed to take away the 0.
Okay, can you show me 11 o'clock? Good. What does that say?
11 o'clock.
Okay. These are the minute hands, right?
Uh-huh.
The long hand, it counts the minutes,
And the hour hand count with the
and the little hand counts the hours. Good. So let's put this together. Like we reviewed, the little hand, it tells us the hours, and the big hand tells us the minutes. Right? So we reviewed before that the little hand counts by ones and the big hand counts by fives. Okay, until we can learn more in depth, right? So here we have 3 o'clock. Do you see this?
Yep.
This minute hand would actually show 0, 0. So, can you show me on the digital clock what this is? What does it say again? 3 o'clock. Can you show me here 3 o'clock?
Yes. Okay. Okay. The other one. There's no other.
Are we missing a 0?
Mm-hmm.
Well, it's not good. Look.
Oh. Mm-mm.
Good. Now I'm going to change the time, okay? What time is it here?
5 o'clock.
Okay, show me 5 o'clock. Good. How about, I'm going to do a tricky one, okay?
Okay.
This is so tricky. I don't know if you know this one. Go ahead.
6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. Show me 6 o'clock on this digital clock.
Is it hard on this digital clock?
Good. Now I'm going to show you, I'm going to do an even trickier one, okay? I don't know if you know this one. If you could tell me the time on this.
12 o'clock.
12 o'clock.
Excuse me.
Good. Can you show me 12 o'clock over there?
Okay.
Let's see.
I was going to 12 o'clock.
Good. We're going to play a game online. It's called Stop the Clock. Go ahead and press play. Alrighty, so what you're going to do here is you're going to match the times. So how about you say what time this is?
Ten 30.
Good. Which one down here on the
This one.
digital clock has the same time? Alright, so go ahead and drag the 10:30 up here. Did you hear that? Cool. Alright, do the next one.
4:30.
Good. Which one shows 4:30 on the digital clock at the bottom?
The next one's gonna be easy.
Awesome. Which one shows, what time is it there?
9 o'clock
9 o'clock. Good. How do you know? Because the big hand is,
is 25.
the big hand is on the
Is on
the 12, which means o'clock, right? 00. All right, what's the next
I
one?
think I know the other one.
What is it?
11:30.
Okay. What
10
is this
o'clock.
one? 10 o'clock. Good. Now stop the clock. Click on stop the clock. Hurry, hurry, hurry. Let's see what's your time. Stop the clock. Well done. Now speed up and beat the best time. Now click on main.
What does that mean?
That means the main page. Go ahead and play one more time. This time I'm not going to help you. I want you to tell the time and then match the digital. Okay?
Okay.
I don't hear you.
10 o'clock.
Okay. Don't click on these until you say these out loud, okay?
9 o'clock.
Okay.
6 o'clock. 10:30.
Come on. First finish that.
4:30.
Okay, Cecilia, now we're going to do this worksheet. Can you read the directions, please?
2:30.
Can you read the directions right here?
Match digital clock to
Analog.
analog clock.
Good. And where are the digital clocks at? Are these the digital clocks or are those the digital clocks?
Digital clock.
Yes. And which one is the analog clocks?
That just moved.
These are the analog clocks, right? All right. So we're going to go ahead and complete this worksheet, okay?
Okay.